The thoughts you choose to think today shape the world you live in tomorrow. Louise Hay. Good morning, my friend. The first few moments after you wake up are a beautiful opportunity to shape your day. You see, the mind is like a sponge in the morning, soaking up whatever thoughts you choose to feed it. That's why it's so important to set the tone with positivity and affirmation. I want you to try something today. The moment your eyes open, say this to yourself: I am worthy of all the good things life has to offer. You may be wondering, why start with this? It's because the energy you put out into the world is the energy you invite back. When you affirm your worthiness, you align yourself with love and abundance, and this shifts your vibration immediately. It doesn't take long, just a few seconds to say these words, and you'll feel the shift inside of you. Start your day from a place of self-love and acceptance, and you'll see how your reality reflects that back to you. Now, I know it might sound simple, but that's the beauty of it. We often overlook the simple things, but they are where true change begins. The more you say this to yourself, the more you begin to believe it, and the more you believe it, the more you will see opportunities and good things coming your way. It's also important to note that your thoughts are powerful. You have the ability to create the life you want, starting with your thoughts. So when you wake up, don't let your mind drift into worry or negative thinking. Instead, make the conscious decision to affirm your worth, your strength, and your ability to manifest the life you desire. As you say these words, feel them deeply. Let them resonate in your body. You are deserving of everything that is good, and this simple affirmation is your first step in thinking about that truth. It's not just about saying the words, it's about feeling the truth of them in your heart and knowing that you are ready to receive all that is meant for you. Now, as you continue with your day, keep this energy with you. You might find that little things start to shift: a kind word from a stranger, a smile, an unexpected opportunity. All these things are reflections of the energy you put out into the world. When you align with love and self-worth, the universe will reflect that back to you in ways you might not expect, but in ways that will surprise and delight you. This is just the beginning. The first few minutes of your day are a powerful opportunity to set the foundation for everything that comes after. With a simple affirmation, you are taking control of your life in a way that is gentle yet profound. Every day is a new chance to start fresh, and today you've already taken the first step toward creating a day filled with abundance and joy. So I encourage you to make this a daily practice. As soon as you open your eyes, remind yourself, I am worthy of all the good things life has to offer. Let these words be your anchor and allow them to guide you throughout the day. You are worthy, you are powerful, and you deserve all the love, joy, and success that is coming your way. Take a moment now and say it out loud or even in your heart. I am worthy of all the good things life has to offer. Feel it in your bones and know that as you say these words, you are aligning yourself with your highest potential. This is a simple practice, but its impact is immeasurable. When you start your day with self-love and affirmation, you are putting yourself on the path to creating a life that aligns with your true desires. You are opening the door to all the possibilities that are waiting for you. The universe is always ready to give you what you deserve, but it starts with you knowing your worth. So, as you go about your day, continue to affirm this truth. Whenever you feel uncertain or doubt creeps in, remind yourself, I am worthy of all the good things life has to offer. This simple phrase has the power to transform your mindset, your energy, and your life. You are in control of your thoughts. You have the power to shape your reality, and the first step is always to believe in your own worth. This belief will open doors, attract opportunities, and bring you the peace and joy you've always wanted. It all starts with those first few minutes of your day, and with this affirmation, you are setting yourself up for success, happiness, and abundance. As you continue this practice, you might start to notice how much lighter and more empowered you feel. You may even begin to notice shifts in your relationships, your career, and your overall outlook on life. This is the magic of self-affirmation. It may feel subtle at first, but the effects are real and they will grow stronger over time. And here's the most beautiful part. You can carry this energy with you throughout your day. Each time you say, "I am worthy of all the good things life has to offer," you are reinforcing the truth of your. This is not just a morning practice. This is a lifestyle. Every moment is an opportunity to affirm your worth and to step into the life you deserve. As you move through your day, take moments to check in with yourself. Are you still affirming your worth? Are you still aligned with the belief that you are deserving of all good things? If not, simply take a breath and remind yourself, "I am worthy of all the good things life has to offer." I want you to note this. Your thoughts create your reality. By starting your day with a positive affirmation, you are consciously choosing to create a life filled with love, abundance, and success. It's not about waiting for life to hand you these things. It's about knowing that you are already worthy of them. So, every morning, make this affirmation your first thought. Say it with conviction, say it with love, and feel the truth of it deep within your heart. You are worthy. You are enough. You are deserving of everything life has to offer, and as you begin each day with this truth, your life will reflect it in ways you could never have imagined. The practice of affirming your worthiness isn't something that only impacts the first moments of your day. It's a ripple effect that touches everything you do. When you affirm to yourself that you are deserving of love and all the good things life has to offer, you start to act in alignment with this belief. This is why the first moments of your day are so crucial. They set the tone for the rest of the day. But it's also important to practice this affirmation throughout the day as challenges or doubts arise. Every time you encounter a moment of uncertainty, you have the power to pause and recenter yourself with your truth. I am worthy of all the good things life has to offer. This practice can be as simple as taking a few seconds during a stressful moment to recite the affirmation to yourself. It might feel strange at first, but the more you use this tool, the more natural it will become, and soon enough you'll find yourself approaching challenges from a place of confidence, knowing that you are deserving of success, peace, and everything you desire. Your beliefs shape how you interact with the world. If you constantly tell yourself that you're not good enough, that you don't deserve happiness or success, that energy will be reflected back to you. However, when you begin to say to yourself, "I am worthy of all the good things life has to offer," your actions, your energy, and even your interactions with others begin to change. You begin to feel more confident, more open to receiving love, and more willing to take action toward your goals. It's not about expecting perfection or thinking that everything will fall into place immediately. It's about cultivating a positive, loving relationship with yourself. This relationship is the foundation of everything else. When you love yourself, when you accept yourself fully, it's much easier to attract the things you truly desire. The world around you mirrors your internal state, and when you see yourself as deserving, the world responds accordingly. In closing, I want to remind you that the power is within you. You don't have to wait for anything outside of yourself to change in order for your life to improve. All it takes is a shift in your thoughts and beliefs. And that shift begins with a simple affirmation. I am worthy of all the good things life has to offer. You've already begun this process just by being here and reading these words. Now take them into your life and watch how everything begins to unfold. You are capable of amazing things, and this is just the beginning.